welcome back to my channel once again. So as in last experiment I told you, I'll be doing another restoration project. Like I'll be taking vinegar, acid and citric acid. Citric acid, basically it's like I have extracted it from lemon. I'm going to mix citric acid and soda salt. I thought to do restoration projects with my toolkit, but I thought let's start from the basics. Let me experiment first. Later on, once if I'll get 10,000 likes, not 10,000 likes, 10,000 viewers and subscribers on my channel, I'll do the same thing with my tools. So let's get started now. First of all, what I'm going to do is, let me tell you, this is citric acid, basically extracted from lemon, and I'm going to mix a bit of soda salt. Like you can take 1 tablespoon like this and just drop it into citric acid and stir it well. It must start bubbling. Exactly like this. Then what I'm going to do is drop all this nail, some of these nails like this. And guys, for this experiment I'm just going to wait for 12 hours. After 12 hours I'm just going with the results. And the purpose of doing this experiment is, vinegar is very good for like metal restoration. You can take all the rust off. But compared to vinegar, people have said like if you are using acid, it is pretty much efficient. But this is the old method, like mixing soda, salt and lemon, what people used to do to clean the metals, especially when they are rusted. So I just wanted to know which one is pretty much efficient. So any guess guys, which one is pretty much efficient? If you know the answers, just mention in comment box. And as you can see, I have dropped a few nails in vinegar and citric acid. And now carefully, you need to be careful guys, this is acid and it is pretty much harmful for your skin. Without any handling experience, you should not try this at home. It is pretty much dangerous, I'm warning you guys. So after dropping all these nails, you just have to wait for another 12 hours to clean them. As you can see guys, straight away in acid, all the rust is being acid is working straight away. Like I can show you, you can see here all the bubbling inside. It means the rusting is coming out pretty much nicely. Here in vinegar is taking a bit time, but I'm amazed with this. Like it is not reacting at all. How people are using this solution to clean metals, I don't know. So let's wait and see. Just for my satisfaction, yes, it is clean already. Isn't it amazing? So here the results are pretty much easy now. They are already clean. Look at them. All the rust came off. And guys, acid is very harmful. You should not inhale it directly. Okay, so from this experiment we got to know that acid is pretty much efficient to clean the metals, but let's wait for under 12 hours for these two things like citric acid and vinegar. We will come to know which one is coming second position in this race. Okay, see you after 12 hours. This it was just like few seconds and they are pretty much clean. Look how awesome it is. If you are willing to do any sort of experiment like this, like instantly you want result, acid is the best thing you can use, but still I won't recommend to use acid because they are highly dangerous, but these are very beautiful guys. So if you are professional, you need to go ahead with acid for instant results. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday we have done an experiment like vinegar, citric acid with soda salt, and we wanted to know which one is pretty much efficient. So let's clean them up, and it's 12 hours now. First of all, I'm going to clean them up with water, and let's see which one has better result. Welcome back guys. I took out the nails. These are the nails which I have extracted from vinegar, and these are from citric acid. I'm pretty much surprised because the nails from vinegar are the rust has been came off, but the thing is like there is bit of rust in vinegar as compared to citric acid. Yesterday I thought it was not working at all, but the nails are pretty much clear and it is very much efficient. For vinegar it will take more time to get clear and like to shine like citric acid, but in citric acid we don't have to wait for more time and we don't have to polish, rub the nails with brush or something to do like that, and the results which we have got is pretty much amazing. So that is the reason why the people used to do the same thing with citric acid, like taking all the rust off. It was pretty much efficient that time. Nowadays they are using acids like sulfur, acetylene, but citric acid is pretty much good guys. For me it holds the second position. Yes, if I want to restore any metals and without any like instructions and all, we don't have to worry about citric acid. Citric acid is basically extracted from lemon, as I told you yesterday, and it is pretty much safe and efficient, and it is time conservation is also pretty much less. So I hope you like my video, and from this we got to know is the best choice to clean the rusted metals like any metal is citric acid, and we don't have to worry about the instructions, and we don't have to wait for such a long time like 24 hours, and it is not harmful for skin or anything. You can use this. So that's it from this video guys, and once if I'll get 10,000 subscribers on my channel, as I mentioned you, I'll do the pretty much same experiment with all my tools which have been rusted a lot. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. I'll get back with next video. Bye.